Antarctica, it's a continent shrouded in mystery. A place of extreme cold and unforgiving landscapes. People are drawn to it. They want to know its secrets. Could a lost civilization lie buried beneath the ice? It's a question that has captivated explorers and researchers for years. Some believe that an advanced civilization existed long ago. A civilization with knowledge far beyond our own. This ancient civilization may have possessed advanced technology. They might have mapped the stars and understood the Earth's secrets. But then, they vanished, leaving behind only whispers of their existence. Antarctica holds clues to the past. Clues that could rewrite history as we know it. It's a place where the impossible might just be possible. Where the line between fact and fiction blurs. Get ready, folks. We're about to dive deep into the mysteries of Antarctica. Ancient maps have sparked debate for centuries, intriguing historians and researchers alike. Some of these maps depict Antarctica with astonishing accuracy, showing details that seem impossible for their time. But how is this possible? How could ancient mapmakers have known about a continent that was officially discovered much later? Antarctica was only officially discovered in 1820 by explorers who braved the icy waters. Yet maps from long before then seem to show its true coastline, as if the mapmakers had first-hand knowledge. One famous example is the Piri Reis map, a remarkable artifact that has puzzled scholars for decades. It dates back to the 16th century, a time when much of the world was still being explored. Drawn by a Turkish admiral, this map shows Antarctica as it was thousands of years ago, before it was covered in ice. Revealing a landscape that is now hidden beneath miles of frozen terrain. Some believe this map is evidence of an ancient civilization, one that had advanced knowledge and capabilities, a civilization that mapped the world with incredible precision, leaving behind clues that we are only now beginning to understand. Were these ancient mapmakers time travelers, or did they possess knowledge passed down through generations? Or did they inherit their knowledge from a lost civilization? The answers remain elusive, shrouded in mystery, but one thing is certain: these maps challenge our understanding of the past, urging us to reconsider what we know. They hint at a time when humans possessed knowledge that we are only beginning to rediscover, a time when the world was mapped with astonishing accuracy. The Cold War was a time of secrecy and suspicion. Both the United States and the Soviet Union were locked in a battle for supremacy. Beneath the surface of this conflict, something else was happening. The Soviets were exploring a different kind of frontier, the depths of the Arctic Ocean. Soviet submarines began reporting strange encounters. They detected unusual objects moving beneath the waves, objects that defied explanation. These unidentified submerged objects, or USOs, became the subject of intense speculation. Were they advanced Soviet technology, or something even more extraordinary? The stories of these underwater encounters are fascinating. They paint a picture of a hidden world beneath the ice, a world that we are only beginning to glimpse. The Soviets may have been tight-lipped about their discoveries, but the whispers of their findings have fueled imaginations for decades. USOs, encounters in the deep. The accounts from Soviet submarine crews were chilling. They described large metallic objects moving at incredible speeds. Objects that could outmaneuver even the most advanced submarines. Some reports even claimed that these USOs emitted strange lights or electromagnetic pulses. One account tells of a Soviet submarine encountering a massive underwater craft. This craft was estimated to be over 600 feet long. It dwarfed the submarine in size. The submarine crew watched in awe as the object glided effortlessly through the water. These encounters were more than just fleeting glimpses. They were close encounters. Encounters that left the Soviet submariners shaken and bewildered. The USOs seemed to defy the laws of physics. Their movements were too swift, too precise to be explained by any known technology. Something truly extraordinary was happening in the depths of the Arctic. Ancient civilizations or alien visitors. The mystery of the USOs deepens when we consider the possibilities. Could these objects be evidence of an advanced underwater civilization? A civilization that has remained hidden from the world for centuries? Or could these USOs be of extraterrestrial origin? Are they alien craft exploring the depths of our oceans? The idea might sound far-fetched, but the evidence is hard to ignore. The objects exhibit technology far beyond our own. The possibility of alien life has fascinated humanity for generations. What if these underwater encounters are our first contact with an extraterrestrial intelligence? It's a question that sends chills down your spine. The truth, as they say, is out there, and it might be closer than we think. The black ice phenomenon and otherworldly encounters. The mysteries of the Arctic don't end with USOs. The Arctic is a place of endless enigma, where the cold and isolation seem to hide secrets that defy explanation. There's something else going on. Something even stranger. Beyond the icy waters and the frozen tundra lies a phenomenon that has baffled scientists and explorers alike. It's called the black ice phenomenon, a name that sends shivers down the spine of those who have heard of it. Imagine this, a vast expanse of black ice covering the Arctic Ocean. An eerie sight that stretches as far as the eye can see. It's so dark, it absorbs almost all light. The ice is so black, it seems to swallow the very essence of light itself, makes it nearly impossible to see. Divers find themselves in a world where visibility is almost zero, and the darkness is overwhelming. This phenomenon is shrouded in mystery. No one knows exactly how or why it occurs, adding to its otherworldly allure. Divers venturing into the black ice regions have reported disorientation. The darkness plays tricks on the mind, making it difficult to navigate. They've experienced hallucinations and feelings of unease. The eerie environment seems to affect their mental state, causing them to see things that aren't there. Some have even described encounters with humanoid beings. These beings appear out of nowhere, adding to the fear and confusion. Beings that seem to materialize out of the darkness. Their sudden appearance is both startling and terrifying. One famous account tells of divers encountering tall, slender beings with pale skin and large black eyes. These beings are unlike anything seen before. These beings seem to communicate telepathically. Without speaking, they convey messages directly into the minds of the divers. They warn the divers about the dangers of exploring the black ice regions. Their warnings are clear, yet cryptic, leaving the divers with more questions than answers. Could these entities be guardians of a hidden underwater realm? Are they protecting something that we are not meant to find? Or are they something else entirely? Perhaps they are beings from another dimension, or remnants of an ancient civilization. The black ice phenomenon pushes the boundaries of our understanding. It challenges what we know about our world and the mysteries it holds. It suggests that there are forces at work in our world that we are only beginning to comprehend. Forces that lie hidden beneath the ice, waiting to be discovered. Antarctica and the Arctic, a call for exploration and caution. The mysteries of Antarctica and the Arctic are a call to action, beckoning us to venture into the unknown. We need to explore these regions, not just for the sake of discovery, but to understand the intricate systems that govern our planet. We need to understand what lies beneath the ice and beneath the waves, as these hidden realms hold secrets that could reshape our understanding of Earth. These icy frontiers hold the key to unlocking some of humanity's greatest mysteries, from climate change to ancient life forms, but we need to tread carefully, respecting the delicate balance of these ecosystems. If there are indeed advanced civilizations or extraterrestrial intelligences present in these regions, we must approach with respect and caution, ensuring we do not disrupt their existence. We cannot repeat the mistakes of the past, where exploration led to exploitation and destruction. We cannot exploit these discoveries for our own gain, but rather, we must protect and preserve them for future generations. The future of humanity may depend on how we choose to interact with these unknown entities, and how we respect the natural world. We must proceed with a spirit of collaboration and understanding, working together across borders and disciplines. The mysteries of Antarctica and the Arctic are a reminder that we are part of something much larger than ourselves, a vast and interconnected web of life. A reminder that there is still so much left to explore and discover, and that our journey is just beginning. Let's embrace the unknown with courage and wisdom, guided by the lessons of the past and the promise of the future. Let's unravel these mysteries together for the betterment of all humankind, ensuring that our legacy is one of knowledge, respect, and stewardship.